my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to perfectly customize a full lace wig. I'm talking bleaching, I'm talking plucking, customization. Like, I'm going to show you how to place it on your head, the front and the back, all the tricks, all the little secrets today. I'm going to show it to you. But hold on a second. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Click the link down below and subscribe to my channel right now, please. Also, you can follow me on Snapchat, Instagram, Twitter, and Chrissy Bells and Chrissy Bells 1 for Snapchat. Anyways, I'm also going to show you today how to tint your wig caps to match your skin color. No need of you to be doing powder stuff. None of that. But if you guys want more videos, again, this video was highly requested on my Instagram. So go on my Instagram, request what video you want. I'll look at them and I'll come here and do it for you. If you'd like to see how to achieve this amazing, beautiful bar, please keep watching.
Hey guys, we're going to start by tinting the wig cap. As you can see, these are the 3 most popular wig colors that you get, and none of them actually matches my skin tone. So because of that, I've decided to start using red dye in caramel to tint the wig cap to actually match my skin tone. For this process, I would be using 15 ml of red dye and 500 ml of hot water. Mix the two together. I will add the wig cap and stir it for 2 minutes. Make sure that the wig cap is completely soaked into the water properly. Take it out, put it in cold water, then blow dry. Voila, as you can see, it's ready and it matches my skin tone. Look at the color difference, it's drastic. I'm probably gonna try other colors in the Rates collection. Moving on to the full lace wig, guys. Take off the strap using a blade. This is really difficult, but you can do it. Once that is done, we're going to bleach the knot of the frontal. I'm talking bleaching the front and the back of the wig. The bleach powder is called Blonder, and then the peroxide we use is a 30% developer. Mix the two together in a thick consistency and apply this to the back of the lace, the knots of the lace. So basically, we're gonna do the front and the back of the wig. I have so much videos on how to bleach the knots, and also on how to bleach a frontal, and also on how to customize and pluck a frontal. The method has not changed, so just recycle the same method. Don't forget to plug the back of the front of the wig as well, because that is also very important. Now I'm gonna get my sister to tie it up, because the day I was doing this video I was actually not feeling too well. If you notice, my eyes was totally red, so I'm just gonna get her to tie it up in a bun, just to show you guys the front and the back. Now that is done, I'm gonna put this wig on my head. As you can see, the wig fitted my head like a glove. Now I'm gonna try and cut the excess lace. This was a fail because I had to actually come off the video to go and cut it with a mirror. Let's get into using the Got2b glue gel to secure this wig. Apply a very thin layer of the gel all around your forehead and comb it in using a hard brush. Once this is done, blow dry it on cool. Once that is done, apply the freeze spray and also blow dry on cool. Once this is done, wait for it to get a little bit tacky, then drop the middle of the wig first using a thin comb or a tail comb. Drop it the middle first, then blow dry it and make sure it's a bit dry, then do one of the sides after the other. Once this is done, repeat the same method for the back of your wig. Apply the gel, brush it in, spray the freeze spray, and drop both of the back at the same time. Once this is done, tie down the front and the back of the wig for 20 minutes using a simple stockings. After 20 minutes, using a pomade and a hard brush to clean up the edges. Say no to using gel. Gel is so 1920s. Haha. But anyways, yeah, I use pomade now, not gel. So also, the same way you've done the front with the hard brush and pomade, do the same exactly to the back. It makes the hair look amazingly clean, no gelling nonsense. Okay guys, the wig I'm wearing is from my website, which is www.chrissybells.com. We now offer full lace wig as an option in every single wig on the website. Also guys, for hair bundles, for closures, frontals and wig kit, please check out www.stclaires.com. Remember, this only applies to my wig, one, and also applies to a good quality wig and a good quality hair. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thank you and have a good night.